Prasant SP, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we discuss about the topic about Big Data Analytics. What is Big Data? Big data refers to a huge volume of data that cannot be stored and processed using the traditional computing approach within a given time frame. Example of big data. For example, if we try to attach a document that is of 100 megabytes in size to an email, we would not be able to do so, as the email system would not support an attachment of this size. Therefore, this 100 megabytes of attachment with respect to email can be referred to as a big data. Next, we are going to discuss about big data analytics. Big data analytics is a process to extract meaningful insight from big such as hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. Next, what is the type of big data analytics? There are here three types. First one, structured data. Second one, unstructured data. Third one, semi-structured data. We see structured data. Structured data refers to the data that has a proper structure associated with it. For example, the data that is present within the databases, the CSV files, and the Excel spreadsheets can be referred to as structured data. Example, we taking a employee ID, employee name, gender, department, salary. These are structured one. Next one, we talk about unstructured data. Unstructured data refers to the data that does not have any structure associated with it at all. For example, the image files, the audio files, and the video files can be referred to as unstructured data. Next one, we talk about semi-structured data. Semi-structured data refers to the data that does not have a proper structure associated with it. For example, the data that is present within the emails, the log files, and the Word documents can be referred to as a semi-structured data. Example, we take a HTML file, HTML language that is called as semi-structured data. Next, characteristics of big data. Big data is categorized into three important characteristics: volume, velocity, variety. The volume refers to the amount of data that is getting generated, that is gigabytes, terabytes. These are called as volume. Next one, we see about velocity. Velocity refers to the speed at which data is getting generated, that is data speed. We are transferring the data, in which speed there is going transfers. We are sending and receiving, uploading, downloading. These are all example of velocity. Next one, variety. Variety refers to the different types of data that is getting generated. That one was structured, unstructured, semi-structured. These are called as variety. Next one, process of big data analytics. First one, case study and evaluation, identification of particular data. Next one, filtering data, data extraction, aggregation of data, visualization of data, data analysis, final analysis, and then getting a result. These are the process of big data analytics. Next one, what are the tools used in big data analytics? MongoDB, Hadoop, Talent, Cassandra, Storm, Spark. First one, we discuss about MongoDB. MongoDB is used on datasets that change frequently, tools used in big data analytics. Next one, Hadoop is a familiar one. In every industry, IT industry, you are using Hadoop only. The Hadoop helps in storing and analyzing big data tools used in big data analytics. Next one, Talent. Talent is a tool used for data integration and management tools used in big data analytics. Next one, Cassandra. It is a distributed database that is used for handling chunks of data. Next one is Storm. It is an open source real-time computational system. Next one, Spark. That is one file word. It is used for real-time processing and analyzing large amount of data. Next one, where are we using this big data? Next we going to talk about big data application domains. First one is education, healthcare, weather forecast, agriculture, manufacturing. First one, education. Where are we using education? Enhancing student results, a better grading system, gaining attention, customized programs, reducing the number of dropouts. These are called the benefits of, these are all the educational applications. Next one, we talk about healthcare. Healthcare have some of points. That one is first one, health tracking, improve that care delivery system, machinery, fraud detection and prevention, real-time alerts. These are the steps of healthcare. Next one, weather forecasting. These are the one most of applications used in the big data. Estimates of areas where flooding is likely to be most severe. The strength and direction of tropical storms, the most likely amount of snow or rain that will fall in specific area, the most likely locations of downed power lines, estimates of areas where wind speeds are likely to be greatest, the locations where bridges and roads most likely to be damaged by storms, the likelihood of flights being cancelled at specific airports. Next one, agriculture. In agriculture, big data is used in boosting productivity, access to plant genome information, predicting yields, risk management, food safety, savings. Next one, used in manufacturing field. The big data used in manufacturing field, product quality, defects tracking, supply planning, manufacturing process defect tracking, testing and simulation of new manufacturing processes. These are the applications used in big data. Next one, we talk about benefits of big data analytics. Big data analytics is used for risk management. Big data analytics is used to improve customer experience. Big data analytics is used for product development and innovations. Big data analytics helps in quicker and better decision making in organizations. Google has mastered the domain of big data analytics, and it has helped several tools and techniques to capture the data of users, which includes their preference, their likes, dislikes, the area of specialization, their requirement, etc. Some real-time applications of big data. First one, Google Big Data. Google developed several open source tools and techniques that are extensively used in big data ecosystem. With the help of different big data tools and techniques, Google is now capable of exploring millions of websites and fetch you the right answer or information within milliseconds. The most of humans, they're thinking about one thing. The first question that comes to our mind is, how can Google perform such complex operations so efficiently? The answer is big data analytics. Big data tools and techniques to understand our requirements based on several parameters like search history, locations, trends, etc. Google effortlessly displays the complex calculations which are designed to match the user's requirement. Google always wanted to develop a search engine that has the ability to think like a human and understand the phrase, logic, and goal of any search query. Semantics has helped Google to accomplish this task to look beyond the literal meaning of any phrase or a search query. Google has adopted the following techniques using big data analytics: indexed pages, real-time data feeds, Google Translate, tracking cookies, sorting tools, synonymous, knowledge graph pages, literal and semantic search. Most used places in the big data is weather forecasting. One example of application of big data to weather forecasting is IBM's Deep Thunder. Unlike many weather forecasting systems which give general information about a broad geographical region, Deep Thunder provides forecast for extremely specific locations such as a single airport so that local authorities can get critically important information in real time. Thank you guys for your extreme valuable time. Thank you.